Hey everyone, I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless Cable Railing, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install a HAAS Stainless REVO Thru-Post tensioner in a 6x6 wood post. We post a ton of really helpful cable railing tutorials here on our YouTube channel, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. The most common types of posts that our customers have on their projects are going to be either 4x4 or 6x6 post. The REVO Thru-Post tensioner is specifically designed to be used in a 4x4 post with a decorative cap on the back side of the post. However, what many don't know is that the REVO Thru-Post tensioner can be adapted for a variety of size posts simply by adjusting your cable length. Before we get started, make sure to check out our full video on how to install REVO Thru-Post tensioners. To start off, insert the cable through the hole in your termination post and then pull it hand tight so that all of the slack is out of the cable. Mark the cable where it's entering the post and then release tension from the cable. This is where we will recess our mark differently versus a 4x4. Rather than using your Swage stud to measure your second mark, measure 2.5 inches past your first mark, then mark and cut your cable. This will ensure that your cable will be cut long enough so that you'll have enough threads to properly tension up the cable. Go ahead and follow the rest of the swaging and tensioning procedures to finalize your run. If you feel like the REVO system is right for you, then be sure to check out some of our other REVO component installation videos. If you have any questions about what you saw in today's video, then drop us a comment, and if you found this video helpful, then be sure to give it a like. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.